Hey, Katie.
What?
Can you do something for me? Ask this and make sure it's going, and then you can figure out what happens when it's going dry.
Barrel spray right in the spray right.
So we're gonna blow dry my hair?
I need you to blow.
Yep.
Come on.
No.
Let's go blow dry. No, Cody, you stay there.
Right.
So shut the door. Blow dry your hair.
What the crap?
I did it yesterday and it actually worked.
What the crap? Look, Coda. What the crap? What the heck did he put in this?
Well, I'll tell you what.
It worked. It works. I promise. I'll get it to work. I promise.
Okay, but I'm gonna tell you this right now.
It smells good in there.
No, I'm gonna tell you this right now. You're in trouble.
Okay, I'll get it to work. I promise.
The crap was in that.
April Fool's, dickhead. Got it all.
Oh yeah, it's for the
Got it.